Hey guys, and welcome back. Welcome. My name is Lily, and it's always a pleasure to have you join me. So, on this video, I would really like to share with you how I started investing. I moved over to Australia in 2012, and with that, I started a job and was earning roughly around about $600 a week. Now, I really wanted to get into some investing, and I came across a really good mentor, very encouraging, and he showed me and encouraged me and pushed me into invest. So here I am. I'm going to share that story with you. So it was with a bank, Commonwealth Bank, that I started it with, and they have a platform on it which is called ComSec. So I to join that, to start up with any investment with that platform, you had to have a minimum of $500 to buy a company. So I was encouraged to buy, to save up, because with that $600 a week, I didn't have very much, did I? So I think I was putting aside at least, say, 250, because I had to sacrifice a lot. And you had to pay rent, and you had to, there were living costs that you had to cover before you had any leftover for investing. So I believed I did save at least, really, sacrifice a lot of things just to start off with. So it was $250 every time I would get paid. I would put that aside. So when I finally had the 500, I bought one company, and then from that one company, uh, of course, it really showed me how it was easy to start. For me, it felt it was hard with $500 as a minimum of buying a company. So I thought, oh, I could do this again, because it looked really good, and I was really happy about it. So I saved up another 500 and bought another company, and each one is, leading to another. So I think I was buying one company per month as I was starting off. And of course, what led up to about, mm, I think, five companies after 2 years. But that was with, just because you had to also not only buy a company. So if the company was just going down, you'd have to top up, to keep topping it up. So that's what I did. But it was really worth it, because the more I topped up, of course, you don't lose out on anything, because your shares are all there. This is just explaining to those who don't understand about uh, investing. So this is what I did with each of my companies. Some were making money, some weren't. And with that, with the profits, I would take out one that the companies that were giving me profits. Of course, I would take that out and invest it back in. And if I wanted to, I could keep the profit. I would spend it, but I would invest it in another company. So there, in an investing term, I was using the profit with my own to, just to buy whatever I needed. But at the same time, I would reinvest whatever I took out. I would reinvest and buy another company. So my mentor was always looking for companies that I could invest in, and so that's how this is all I needed to share with you, how easy it is that you can sacrifice things like saying you could just live off like noodles, or just something light, toast and baked beans, scrambled eggs on toast, just something, just sacrifice things like that, like your food budget for the week, and then you could save that amount of money. And it's amazing how you can get up, to, because I had to give up a lot of things. I couldn't go to a hair salon. I couldn't go and get my manicure, pedicure, and those kind of things. I look at other ladies and I say, oh, I'd love to get my nails done, but I had to do it myself, and it wasn't really a good job. But these kind of things, even going out shopping for new clothes, I went to op shops. And what I did also, I'm going off, what I'm trying to say, how to sometimes live on a minimal amount of money is sometimes you could go to op shops. I mean, I could, and I'd find brand new clothes in there as well. Really nice, but some of them were big, too big. And so what I would do is I would buy it and I would buy it and just alter it into my size, get it altered. So these are the things, ladies, I'm talking to ladies basically because I'm a woman, of course, and I'm sharing you with these things that you could say because I believe the woman in the house has a lot to do with the budget. So you can sacrifice. You don't have to go out every week to a cafe. Just those kind of things you can sacrifice just so that you can start with a budget so that you can have enough to invest. And it's so important because when you spend your money, it's gone. But when you invest, it's always there. So a lot of the people think that when your investments are going down, you still have your shares there. That's what's important. The shares are still there and you could top them up every time. So this is what this video is about, how easy it is for you just to sacrifice a few things like staying home and entertaining yourself and not always having to go out and entertain, invite friends over to have dinner so you don't have to go to restaurants and buy alcohol. You know what I mean? So you just have, these are things that you can compromise by enjoying some of these quality times at home, and you can still have a really good time by inviting a few friends over and not going out because it is nice to go out and also away on holidays. You could just say 1 year I'm going to stay and I'm going to save all this money and I want to start investing. And this is my encouragement to you. I'm just someone who's just like you. You might be better, I don't know, but you might know more about money and how to spend it. But for me, and share it with other people who don't know how to invest and who don't know how to start, that is how I started. I was very lucky to have a really great mentor who did a lot of research for me, and from here on, I have been still being mentored with help with that investing and where to invest. So right now, with the investing that I started with the companies, I'm now going into uh, cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is another way to invest, and it's the same. It's just awesome. It's different. It's really good to try and invest as much as you can, because what you want to do is spend the profit from what you've invested. That's important because that's the whole idea of investing, isn't it? It's not to take it out when it's down. You take, when at a loss, you've got to take it out when you made profits. Otherwise, it's pointless, isn't it, to take something out? And if you're not a person who doesn't like to take risk, or if you don't like something, see something going down, and oh my God, this is going down. I don't know. Oh, should I stay on? And you're taking it out at a loss. That's not for you, because you really have to be strong-minded in a way to say, no, it's going to be okay. I can top it up and my shares are still there. I'll be okay. So this is from me, Lily, to you, whoever you're out there listening to this. Invest, invest, invest. And this also goes out to those who have also joined up some of the cryptocurrencies with the mining systems that I have shared on my videos. This is also to you that if you have joined under these platforms as well, that I've like Litecoin. Also, I have a few others that oh, what was the other ones that I have? TRX mining as well. That's another one. And so if you have joined up with those auto mining systems, what's really important is for you to deposit. It's not just about joining and getting free coins, and it's sort of, it'll take a while for you it'll take a long time for you to make money out of that. It's so important for you to put a deposit, or just start depositing, and then you'll see the difference of how much you can bring in. So I've shared on my videos, my Litecoin videos with you. on the amount of how much you could be making per day. So if $300 will make you $16.50 per day, you'll have a profit of $197 at the end of the 30 days. So to 30 days, you put in $300 at the end of, and each day you'll be earning $16.50. You will make a profit of 195. If I'm correct, you might go back on the video, but it's roughly around about that much anyway. That's the profit that you'll make on top of your 300. So if you were on the next system, if you were to invest about $1,000 into it, $1,000 for 30 days will bring you in 475, if I'm correct, going back on my numbers. That is a profit that you will make on top of what you had put in. So honestly, there is just so much in there that you could be investing in instead of going out and spending your money. Because at the end of the day, you'll spend your money and it's boop, gone. But if you invest, you'll be spending the profits and you'll have money continually making you money as you sleep, as as you're doing things, whatever you're doing, you're working, or we all want the same things in life. We all want to be working from home or working and making money without working too hard. There are some who love the physical work, but there are some who are trying to make it easier for yourselves by not working too hard, working smart. That's what I'm trying to say. So thank you again, guys, for tuning in. This was very, very important for me to share with you about how important it is to invest. And with these also these crypto currency that we're getting into right now, also I would like to emphasize how important it is to start mining these coins, because I'm doing it and I'm seeing it, it's working, and I'm withdrawing from it and I'm making money from it. So all I wanted to do today with this video was to share with you how important it is to just invest and put some money towards these systems that you have joined, especially to my referrals that have joined under me. Thank you again, guys, for joining me. This is Lily. Please subscribe to my page, and also please click onto my links below this video. I'll see you again on my next video, and I hope to hear some good news, and also knowing that you have made a difference with your money, with your your income that you've been working hard for. And just like everyone else, we're all in the same, we all come from the same place. We all have the same ideas of how we would like to enjoy this life. Thank you again, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers for now.